Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell like this. You won't miss any videos. But actually, every Wednesday we can meet with you right here on my channel. And of course, please like my videos. Like this, you will help me to move my videos on top of YouTube, and you'll give me more motivation to create more interesting videos for you and many videos for you. Today I decided to explain you how to improve your intonation. This topic is huge. I think there is no lifetime to explore this niche because a musician, doesn't matter, not only violin player, any musician, we are continuously working on our intonation, and there is few tricks that you might use as well. Doesn't matter you're a beginner, advanced, or maybe professional violin player. And my first advice to you will be play on piano, especially when you are working on your intonation. Play on piano. Why play on piano? Because when we are playing on a forte, the sound projects in many directions. When you're playing piano, the sound is right here next to you, so that means you can hear better. So loud playing, it's not always good playing. Advice number 2, sing. Especially for the beginners, this will be an amazing way to improve your intonation. You can sing out loud. If you are by yourself, I don't think so it's a good idea to start to sing somewhere outside, or you can sing inside of your head, doesn't matter. But by singing, you can actually hear what you want to hear, and the only thing what you need to do, you have to transform your singing on violin. Advice number 3, intervals. By the way, if you don't know what is this interval actually, guess what? I have already a video for you. In this video you'll find in the playlist Theory Music Lessons, and of course, as usual, link I'll leave down below in description, or just click somewhere here, I believe. If you don't really understand what I'm talking about, like you feel you have some gaps, just explore my playlist, because I already have many videos for beginner violin players, music theory lessons, of course, like if you don't know what means forte or piano, and reviews for the strings, for the rosin. Oh my goodness, it's already too many videos. I cannot remember what I have, but please check, please like. So back to the business. Intervals. Everything on violin built after intervals. Even the position of our fingers, yeah, you know, semitone fingers together next to each other, tone fingers, they have to be on the distance. So if you know already what is this intervals, when you're working on your intonation, build intervals. For example, you want to play A open string and C second finger on A string. C, yeah, not C sharp, C flat, C, natural. What interval it will be? It will be a minor third. Let's try to sing A, C, natural. Yes, so this is your notes. Just transform it on your violin now. My next advice is you should check yourself comparing two open string, and I'll give you the same example with the A open string and C, but this time you have to play a C sharp, yeah, so it will be already a major third interval. A, C sharp, transform it on your violin, and like this you can do with every note. If you don't know how to play any of the notes, compare to the open string by building intervals. When you're working on your intonation, don't use vibrato, because when we are playing vibrato, we are still moving our finger, just a little bit. But this can affect your intonation big time. And if after you know that this note already in tune, and you will add on top of it vibrato, and you hear that the note, when you are vibrating, you hear that the note again it's out of tune, that's mean something wrong with your vibrato. So about vibrato we will talk some other time, but if you want to improve your intonation, practice without vibrato. If you feel that you are not really a good singer, like me for example, use piano. It's amazing if you have your own piano in your house, but if you don't have, I don't think it's a big deal, because now you can download any application with a piano or tuner or something like this, but better piano, not a tuner. With a tuner it's better to tune your violin. So if you're not sure that you're singing correctly, play that on piano and then try to transform what you heard on piano on your violin. The next advice will be probably the most important one: play slowly. Playing slowly helping us in many ways, but now because we are talking about intonation, we will use it in this context. When you're practicing your intonation, you should play slowly, because when we are practicing slowly, our ear catching the wrong notes faster. And when we are just playing very quickly, like blah, 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 some passage or something like this, sometimes it's very difficult for the ear to catch that wrong note. So please practice slowly. One more advice: record yourself. You don't need to have some fancy microphones or recording equipment or special gear or even studio. Just take your phone and record yourself on the phone. For sure, in time you will see the progress, if you're practicing correctly, of course. This is the easiest way to double check yourself. It also will be better if you will try to record yourself in the different acoustics. You remember when I told you play piano rather than forte? You will hear it. And in general, I know it's very boring, but try to play a lot of scales, arpeggios. It will help you like 100%, especially if you are playing some piece, let's say in C major. Play C major scale before. It will help you to tune your ears, to put them in the right pattern before playing a piece. Because as I told you before, in the music we have only 7 notes. And guess what? Those 7 notes, they repeat again and again in the different symphonies, concertos, pieces, everywhere. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, just write me down below this video, or maybe visit my Instagram page valeriiavoitko violin, and there I have already pretty much big community. Don't be shy, we are all very friendly. You can write me there and I'll try to help you. And now just grab your violin and go to practice. You have so much to do and you just got so much knowledge about how to improve your intonation. Don't forget to practice, and yes, I'll know. Bye!